Okay, this video is about adding a text in your iMovie project. So I have one video project over here in my iMovie. I'm using iMovie in my iPhone. It's almost similar wherever you use iMovie in your iPad or any iOS devices or any Apple products, almost similar. So you can see here that I have got two videos in this project. So it's almost the same how many number of videos you have in your project. So first I want to add a text over this for the let's say initial 5 to 10 seconds of this first video. Okay, first I need to tap on the video file here down on the timeline. So now you can see it's when it's highlighted with yellow, you can see options down here. So at the bottom of your screen, so there's multiple options for chord, timer, volume, and then text. So this one is the text at the second last option of your screen. So here are different options available, like different styles that we can use for our text. So I'll just go with the standard one. So we just tap on the title there and then just input the title that we want to keep. So if you don't want to add any title here, you can just tick, you can just cross it, and then it will just disappear. But we can't just move. There's no option for moving the moving this text bottom or left. So that's it. So I don't want any text down here, so I'll just remove it. So if we leave it blank, so there won't be any text. So now you can see that there's text over all the video. Next, what I want to do is in my second video, so I want to add a text over here. So let's use a different style over here, this one, and then it's almost similar. It's Paradise Interchange. Okay, so again, if I tap on the text, and you can see a few different options for the text location. And then if you want to add like intro sound to your text like that, okay, let's add intro sound also, and then let's see. So you can hear a sound like when the text is coming. We can hear if you have turned this sound on, and then like okay, so you can try the different styles over here. Now the next thing is we can currently in my video, you can see there's text all over the video. I don't want it to appear all over the video, but just at the beginning of 5-10 seconds. So what we need to do is just tap the video on your timeline, and then go to the, you can see the scissor on your bottom left. So just tap on it, and then what we'll do is let's say I'll just stop the text from here. So if I split the video, what you can see is, so the text will stop from where I splitted the video. So there's no any text over here. So you can add another text. So I'll split it again, and then you can just add another text here for the particular part of your video. Okay, let me write 2020. Okay, so let's see again. So this is how you can do it. So similarly in the second part of my video, let me just split it so that the text will appear just in the front part of the video. And then let me add one more thing here. Tap on text, and then you can edit here. If you want to add some more text, you can just input it here. Okay, so this is it. It's me, Lockman. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful in adding text to your iMovie video. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section below. Have a good day.